This is definitely like powder cocaine or powder.
Let's get to him and start swinging. That would have been a hell of a
I think
fight.
the lock you had him in.
Thank God I just got him in that lock, because I would have been in
with
trouble.
that good lock, I think he went moving. And then he would not put his hands behind his back, and he wanted to get in his pockets to get this out.
The star of today's show is Mr. David Maximilian Anthony Jones. As you can see, he has been arrested a few times during his lifetime. On June the 15th, 2023, at approximately 6:09 p.m., loss prevention officers with Walmart called 911 to report a man using a knife to cut security cables from electronics in the store, who then ran out the back door. The caller described the suspect as a male black with a black hat, pink shirt, and tan pants. The caller also stated the man stole a laptop computer and some DVDs. A few minutes later, an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was in the area and observed a person matching the description of the suspect. The officer approached the suspect and attempted to detain him, which led to Mr. Jones resisting arrest. Mr. Jones was eventually placed under arrest and charged with theft as well as resisting. He also had several outstanding warrants at the time of his arrest. If you look at the top of his list of cases, he already has a theft case in the year 2024, so he's off to a good start. I'm sure he'll get a very serious sentence of probation and learn the error of his ways.
Came from that area, then I just came right back out here.
You weren't over there doing anything in Walmart?
Nope. I just went to the movie theater and came back.
All right, do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. Put it down.
This is my item, sir.
Listen, put it down.
This is my item.
Listen, put it down until I figure out what's going on. All right? If it's not you, it's not you. They're saying a pink shirt, tan pants, and black hat. All right? Put it down. Just put it down.
I have no reason to be touched.
Put it down.
Just put it down, bro.
I'm just standing
Just
here.
put it down.
This is mine.
Put it down.
It's just a...
Okay, just sit it down. I'm not saying it's not yours. Put it down.
I'm just holding on to it.
Sit it down. Sit it down. Sit it down.
That's over $200.
Sit it down.
That's my item.
Put your hands behind your back, palms together. Interlace your fingers. Interlace your fingers.
Well,
Listen.
I'm standing here about to
Interlace your fingers like you're praying. Listen. Do it.
I'm not doing anything but standing
Listen.
here. I'm just standing here. I understand what you're saying.
You're not listening. Put your hands together.
For no reason. I'm just standing here.
Dude, put your hands together. I don't want to have to take you to the ground.
And that's a lawsuit right
Listen,
there. 'Cause I'm
okay,
just
that's
standing
fine. If it's not you, it's not you, man. Just put your palms together now.
here. I'm not doing nothing.
Put
I'm
your
just
palms
standing here.
together.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm just standing
You are
here.
doing something. You're resisting.
I'm just
All right?
listening to you.
I'm trying to detain you.
You have no reason to touch me like I don't have no reason
Yes,
to
I
touch
do.
you. I'm just standing
Put your palms
here.
together.
I have no idea what
Put
you're
your
talking
palms
about.
together.
I'm just standing
Listen,
here, sir.
put your palms together. You're not listening,
Standing
dude.
here, sir.
You're not listening.
Gotta listen to you standing here. I'm
You're not listening. I'm going to take you to the ground.
For what? I'm just standing
Put
here.
your palms together. Dude, you're not
I'm
listening.
not doing anything. Just standing here. That's all I'm doing.
Listen,
I didn't do anything to you.
you're
I'm just
causing
standing here.
problems.
I don't have
Listen.
nothing on me. I'm just standing here. I'm trying to catch the number one.
Okay,
You fine.
and you let me figure out what's going on, and then we can deal
I
with
just
it.
said I went from the
Listen.
movie theater right here. I'm not
And
doing
let me
nothing.
figure out what's going on.
I'm just standing here.
Dude, you're not just standing here. You're causing more problems than we need.
I'm not doing it.
Listen, you're causing more problems than we need. Listen,
I'm just getting my computer right
you're
here.
not getting your computer. Dude.
Fine, you fine. I play football and everything. What's up? You fine. You good.
Stop.
I didn't do shit. I'm just standing here. I was standing here the whole time.
What's
It's
the
fine.
side street right here?
This Pickford, bro.
I was just standing here. Am I
I
right?
think Pickford.
Hey, I was just talking to you and I'm just standing. You fine. It ain't not going on. I'm just standing here. I was talking to him. What I just talking to you? All this on film. I ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, I got your son back out here. I believe it's Pickford and Bethel. I think PA Walmart. Send me another call. Copy. Subduing. 170 starts with Pickford and back over 170.
You are resisting. You're not listening.
I'm right here.
Turn over and let me put the cuffs on. I figure out what's going on. I don't care what you say. You're not listening.
I can't have nothing right now to home.
It ain't ball. It ain't ball. You're not listening. Dude, you're not listening. But you're not listening.
Right now.
Yeah, because you won't listen.
I'm from the NFL, bro.
I don't care.
Not doing anything.
Yeah, but your
Dude,
hands.
stop. Stop.
Your hands, dude. Give me your hands. You're just causing more problems.
Oh, stay here, catch the bus, sir. I'm not disrespecting nobody.
Bring your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
I play sports and everything.
Stop resisting.
That's how report, sir.
Just wait for the bus. Everything on film. I'm just telling you.
30 to 30.
171, 1 to 10.
Copy 171, got 1 you came.
I just came from the movie theater and came back.
Okay, looks like you came from Walmart with some products in your back pocket.
Those are my property. My items.
Okay.
I'm allowed to have my own items.
Stop digging in your pocket.
I'm an athlete and everything. I was just standing.
Dude, everybody just watched everything that went on right here.
I was just standing here. That's it. And then you approached me. That's it.
And you
I
wouldn't
got roughed
listen.
up. I'm just trying to catch the bus. We fine. I'm just trying to catch the bus. I wasn't doing
We
nothing
ain't
standing.
fine, that's the problem. We would have been fine.
Everything on film. I'm just trying to stand here, catch the bus. That's it. Ask the bus driver. I got roughed up. I'm from here.
You ready to get him up or keep him here for a minute?
I'm good.
Just won't check that side. I haven't checked that side yet.
Everything cute. All my belongings and stuff. We good. That's my property. It's no big deal.
That's 17. We got one.
Got 1. Slow anybody else down.
This is my
Yeah,
ice.
just swing to that end, dude.
It wasn't no problem. Me and this man was talking. Y'all fine. Before he came, we was talking. It's no problem. Seriously.
You got anything else in there?
Talking. No, we was just talking. All of us was talking. It's fine. It's cool.
There's a knife.
That's just a little 6-inch knife. There's no problem. We was just talking.
Well, I know, but that's the knife you used to cut all those out.
Oh, no. That's just...
Dude, I didn't just pick you
fishing
for
knife.
no reason. You act like I just picked you out of everybody out here. For no reason.
I've been out here 15, 20 miles. I was just standing here. It's fine. There's 2 or 3 other guys. I seen a guy earlier with a pink shirt on.
Huh?
I play sports and everything. I'm with NFL people and everything. So I'm fine. It was another guy with a pink shirt earlier I seen today.
Did you?
You imagine with this festival and all that, Pride Festival and all that going on?
You got the product, dude. Put it down your
That's
pants.
nothing. If you're allowed to return and purchase and return product, that stuff I already had though. You're allowed to purchase and return your own products. That's the stuff I already had.
Oh, was it? Okay. You gonna cause any problems? We can stand you up.
No.
You gonna be cool now?
Good. It ain't nothing going on. All this my stuff.
Get those double locked.
Fine.
This one's loose. Bad when I couldn't remember where I was at. No, you were good. I was just
I asked the bus driver, I said, what street?
I would have been here sooner, but that lady cut in front of me and almost 5 getting to you. Alright, these guys no block. Yeah, I got some.
I got some bags, yeah.
Let's put him on. I'll stand here with the property.
Yep.
I was just standing here the whole time, and this man was talking. We just had a conversation. I was catching the bus.
Very good.
Conversation that turned a lot more. Could have been just a simple conversation.
Why are you walking like this?
Huh?
Why are you walking like this?
I got stuff I got to do.
Oh,
I got
really?
appointments and everything. We fine.
All right,
I
stuff to
got
do too.
Medical appointments and stuff I got to be at. I was just standing there.
Okay. And before you were standing there, you were inside and you were stealing a bunch of stuff.
Oh, no. And I got money and everything on me. I got money in my
Oh, okay. Here, stand up, spread your feet for me.
receipts and everything.
Stand up and spread your feet
I've been
for me.
standing up the whole time until he took me on the ground on some UFC type shit. I mean, we all wrestle and do all that shit. I'm in it. I play sports.
Do you?
Play sports all my life.
Spread your feet.
I wanted to have to take you to the ground?
Stand on your foot. Spread that foot a little wider.
Spread it.
Well, where are we?
Because we got to pat you down. Make sure you got nothing
All that
else
stuff is right
You
there.
got him?
This is my personal property,
You
man.
got him? Okay.
There's nothing else. This is my personal property.
We got to make sure, dude.
It ain't nothing on me.
Quit reaching.
I think we have to work too hard on my overtime, brother.
All this is
Last thing I wanted
unnecessary.
to do.
We was just talking, man. No big deal. I'm just standing here.
Yeah, and then you wouldn't listen.
All I did was have my
All we got-
computer in my
you
hand. We're
realize
standing here.
It's just shoplifting. No big deal. You just turn this into a lot.
I got money. None of that stuff is worth all this. I promise you.
Okay, well, if you had money, why didn't you pay for it all?
I did. It's all I got to do is go.
All right, so you'll have the receipt right there then.
I
Right?
told
You'll
her
have the receipt right over there? Is that what you'll have?
Everything I got for everything I bought. I returned stuff and everything, but I just went to. I was telling you I was going to the movie theaters and then found out it was closed.
Uh-huh.
That's
I
it.
thought you were just standing right here.
I was. And when that's the first thing I did. We came back. We
You got a
fine.
bag?
I got money. My money in my wallet.
He needs one over there.
All right. You got anything else in here?
Nah, I'm fine. You and this man was talking.
Stop moving. Nobody told you to move.
Everything is over there. There's nothing on me. I promise you, it ain't nothing on me. You
have to make sure, dude.
It wasn't even like this. I'm from here.
You have to make sure. You can't just take your
All
word for
this is
it.
my art.
Your word don't really mean anything to me now since you wanted to fight with me.
I ain't want to play. I'm trying to get on the bus. I was trying to do. I was just seeing.
All right. We're going to go in the car. Keep walking.
Cool, man. It ain't no crime. I was just standing here. Ain't no crime.
Have a seat.
I told you this would have been real simple of an issue and you turned it into a mess.
Can you put that gold in that bag for me? Because I don't want that. I don't want that.
So they're picking up doors.
I ain't doing anything. I'm just standing right here.
So here's the
I was on the sidewalk though. Standing on the sidewalk, that's all I'm trying to do. I don't even want to be in the paddy wagon. It's uncomfortable.
Hey, get in the car. I'm going to pull you in the car.
I don't want him to do that.
Sit yourself in the car. I'm going to put you in the car.
I'm just asking on
All
the
right.
sidewalk.
All right.
Play F3. Play F3. Hang on.
Oh, very good.
Here, I'll work with that.
All these came out of his pockets. All these came out of his pockets. I didn't open it up, but it looks like I can't tell if it's like fake or real. But I mean,
Not a me problem, not a me.
yeah. But that's probably, I say,
Got to twist it.
170, go ahead.
that one car about took him out. So he was turning behind him and came up, and he about turned in right in front of us.
Copy.
I got the guys right here for you, brother.
I can't tell what this is. It looks like confetti maybe, and that. But this is definitely like powder cocaine or powder.
Let's get through here and start swinging. That would have been a hell of a
I think the
fight.
lock you had him in.
Thank God I just got him in that lock because I'd have been in
with
trouble.
that good lock, I think he went moving. And then he would not put his hands behind his back, and he wanted to get in his pockets to get this out.
You got a good visual of that guy in the pink shirt?
Yeah.
You got a picture you can show me? And then we caught him, so I need one of you to come with me. We can ID him too.
I'll go with you.
Okay. Can you zoom that picture out? Or is that the only photo you have?
Oh no, we didn't do him.
Because that looks like him. Yep, very good. That's it. Keep all that.
You'll bring him here, or?
No, that's who we have. So you just keep the video footage. We're gonna go take care of all that. I'll come back and get what I need from you in a minute. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, it's a positive ID.
Thank you.
I saw it on video. It's him. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can do. I saw the video. Yeah, I saw the video. It's him. He's holding his laptop and everything.
They know what property was taken?
They just want to come get the Yeah.
Hello.
I'm gonna take it. Can you guys? So we're gonna take him to his hands jacked up.
Yep.
So
Three of us to sort this out.
so can you guys start doing this, and then I'll take him and get him taken care of.
Yep.
Cool. And you and then 174.
Yeah, we just need to move him.
Can we move in? Can we move him into the wagon real quick? Okay.
It's got to be holding the cuff instead of twisting. I'm trying to hold the cuff.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Watch that stuff for a minute. Can't ball a fist up though. Good thing I'm going on vacation.
Yeah.